Sometime, somehow, I was going to begin law school at the university, and I was going to finish it as a lawyer. I was through with separate but equal.
I can say with a high level of confidence, if it wasn't for Lois Sipuel Fisher, I wouldn't be sitting right here today. I wouldn't be a lawyer. I wouldn't have attended the University of Oklahoma College of Law.
Ada Lois Sipuel Fisher was a changemaker, a civil rights pioneer who challenged segregation to become the first African American admitted to the University of Oklahoma Law School.
Ada Lois Sipuel Fisher was partially responsible for the University of Oklahoma changing, and that changed from the outside in.
Anything that she tried to do or wanted to do, failure just was not in her vocabulary.
Mama used to always say this. She said that her victory was not a victory for Ada Lois. It was a victory for the U.S. Constitution.
Her courage and tenacity led the way for the landmark case, Brown versus the Board of Education.
What she would like people to understand is that the struggle is not over with yet.
Even in my practice now and in my professional life, I am inspired by Lois Sipuel Fisher. The sacrifices that she made and the battles that she fought, well, what's my excuse? I have no excuse to not work as hard.
I would say her legacy is endurance, commitment, tenacity, anything that you can think of that a strong person has, she had it.
So her role wasn't just as a regent, it wasn't just as a plaintiff in a test case, it was as a person not only talking about doing something about racism, but doing something about racism.